Hello everyone, my full name is Maxwell de Oliveira. I am 23 years old and my birthday is on March 18. I'm a materials engineering student at Federal University of São Carlos, UFSCar. At the moment, I'm a director of events in the Academic Center Engineering Materials. I'm an English language student. I will finish it next year. I live with my friends in a student fraternity. Its name is Pastelaria do Ganso. My address in São Carlos is Capitão Alberto Mendes Jr. Street, number 53. My family lives in Ribeirão Preto, São Paulo, where my sister, mother, father, brother-in-law, and two nephews live. I visit them twice a month. I have a good personality, so I think I'm intelligent, perseverant, curious, and like challenges. I have also skills. I love playing basketball at university. I was always good at it. I also can play soccer and handball, but just a bit. I study very much mathematics at university, and very well. To be sincere, I don't like it very much, but it's necessary for my graduation, because it developed my logical reasoning. I can use computers very well. I have office, internet, and social networks. Because of my participation in academic center, I developed important skills like leadership, working group, planning and implement key projects, and people management. My routine is very ordinary. I wake up early at 7 o'clock, take a shower, have breakfast, and go to university. This year was really busy because between classes I had my obligations in academic center and CCP. I often sign up in internship programs. I love having new experience, watch movies, series and animes, listening to music, going to the parties with my friends, learning new stuff. I expect to be successful. In the future, I'll be a great engineer. Well, that's all for now. For more information, you can check my CV again and contact me. Bye bye.